Welcome back, here's a look at the best places to visit in Vietnam. Before the video, please subscribe us and make sure that you hit the bell icon not to miss new videos. Number 1, Dalat. Year-round, cool weather and idyllic scenery of misty valleys, lush pine trees and colorful flowers are some of the reasons that Dalat was once used by Vietnamese emperors and French colonials as a summer retreat. Today, this charming town in the south-central highlands of Vietnam is a popular destination for those looking for relief from the heat. A walkable city to Dalat is a beautiful scene of French colonial architecture and villas set amid picturesque landscapes. Number 2, Tam Coc. Tam Coc can be described as rice paddies surrounded by limestone cliffs and rock formations. In reality, Tam Coc is one of the most breathtakingly beautiful destinations in Vietnam. The best way to explore is by boat, and you can set off on a rowboat that takes you up alongside the lush green paddies and between striking limestone cliffs. You'll even float through 3 tunnels that run through the mountains, which were carved over time by the river itself. Number 3, Ho Chi Minh City, lying along the Saigon River near the Mekong Delta in southern Vietnam. Ho Chi Minh City was formerly known as Saigon and served as the capital of South Vietnam during the Vietnam War. Today, it is the largest city of the reunified country, offering plenty of reasons to visit, from its blend of historic and modern attractions to vibrant shopping, dining and nightlife. Number 4. Mekong Delta. Colorful floating markets, fruit orchards, rice paddies, bird sanctuaries and quaint villages are all what draw many to the Mekong Delta in southwestern Vietnam, nicknamed Vietnam's rice basket. The Mekong Delta is an agricultural region made fertile by the maze of canals and streams fed by the Mekong River, stretching from the Gulf of Thailand to Ho Chi Minh City. The Delta region feeds more than a third of the country from its rich plantations, rice paddies and fish farms. Number 5, Nha Trang, located on one of Asia's most beautiful bays off the coast of south-central Vietnam. Nha Trang is a popular seaside resort city. Picturesque mountains, beaches and lush islands all make it a favorite destination among tourists. Vietnamese and scuba divers adorned with resorts, palm trees, and a lovely promenade. Nha Trang's beach is its main attraction. Amusement and water parks provide fun for everyone with roller coasters and wave pools.